Hey, Wolf Creek. Look at that. Doing a little bit of skiing. Doing a little bit of skiing. Now, if you do go to Alamoso, there's a great brewery pub right on here on the corner, San Luis Valley Brewing Company. Great sweet potato fries, good burgers. Next to it, the owner also owns this coffee shop we're gonna head on into right here. Go get ourselves a nice little premium roast. So, Alamoso, I'm waiting for the folks to do a little detour, and we're looking really good here. We got a disc golf course, nice picnic area, porta potty over here to our left, plenty of parking, only a few people out. It is early. Not even 10 a.m. We're up early today, some wooded trees. This is gonna be a fun course. We got hole one, nice course. Again, a little bit breezy. We're gonna get in those woods a little bit here. Tee box is right here. We got 270 straight down the pipe in these trees. Maybe just a monster hyzer or maybe just a straight shot. I just literally backhand flexed from here through this little gap of trees right here, missed it as it curved back in and just birdied it from literally 130 feet. Only one out here. Par 3, 360, straight down the pipe here. All right, next up is the Great Sand Dunes National Park and Preserve. Look at that. Would you look at them mountains? Look at them mountains, Jenny, and those mountains are looking really good. Folks, some people are not meant for life on the road. Look at them mountains. That's Alamoso, Colorado. Beautiful sand dunes. Would you look at that? Would you just look at it, Johnny? Just look at it. We got ourselves, oh, you better believe we're gonna try. We're gonna try. we're gonna try to slide down those dunes right there. Not sure if they're closed for winter. There is a campsite here, which is actually kind of cool. You have these little tuckets of areas here and here. You got your charcoal, put your camp tent up there. Looks like you have propane lines. There are bathrooms up here as well. They are closed for winter, unfortunately. Folks, this is big news. We found the actual Serendipity store, just like the John Cusack movie. Okay, let's feed some horsies. Hi, buddy. Hi, buddy. Gentle, gentle, gentle. Uh-oh, we fall? Okay, let's try that again. There we go. There we go. Yeah, the babies. Yeah, the babies. More treats for everybody.
You want one?
All right, here goes Maz. Yeah. This is a working ranch here, folks. Working ranch. Hey, up. The new La Mirada, boys. Beautiful. We got a creek running down the middle. Open fields, trees down the pipe. Baskets, elevated tee basket for number 3. Then we go all along the stream through the woods. Can't play skippy shots here. River plays OB. There's me right there. There's the basket. There was a Mando right here on this tree. Tunnel, tee box over there. Not a very far shot, but look at the river runs right behind it. So the OB plays for sure. Penny, 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 16 years old. Penny, Penny, she loving it. Short par 3, a little bit of snow. Tee box is up here, elevated a little bit. We have some sticks right over here. Mark it through the gun range, par 3, right over there. All right, forgive the snow here, but these are just things that are lying around, dead branches. We're gonna get some better shots as the course progresses. Water hazard down here, Mando tree here to the right. You have to actually go around this branch right here. You're gonna do a backhand flex around here. My putter is actually right over here. And par 3, this is a very hard hole. Is it birdable? Yes, but you gotta get it even further because we have this tree blocking the basket, which is right over here. Forehand also, of course, bringing it through here. We do have a boundary line to the neighbor's yard. You definitely don't want to go in the lake next door. And let's go ahead and take a look at the water hazard. But scrape this off yesterday, tee box. We're going to be doing some nice tee signs as well. But we just found some pieces of wood lying around that line the tee box here. I got them from the dead tree branches over here and I lined the lake. Let's go ahead and take a look. All right, as you come down here, notice all these branches, these dead branches you can use as boundary markers here. And forgive the snow, it's gonna look a lot better as summer progresses here. Currently it is mid-April, later April as we're filming this. But took all these dead logs and branches, line the water hazard. If you go in the water, anything on the other side of these tree branches is OB. This, of course, is mandatory over here to the right. You have to go around these branches here. As you can see, there is my putter right there. Nice backhand flex. So what I do is I bring it over the neighbor's yard and bring it in and then land it just smoothly over here. You can take a nice tight corner if you want, but again, you gotta do the right hand mandatory tree. See all these dead branches in here? Think about what you already have on your property. You don't need cement tee pads. You can do dirt. Just what you need to do though is you need to shovel up a flat portion. We're gonna be doing these tee boxes and pin positions. Currently we have 4 baskets and we are going to be progressing to probably a total of 9 baskets. And what you want to do is you want to alter the tee pads and have 9 basket locations. You don't need to invest a lot of money. We did snag a few extra baskets. They were on sale, Amazon Prime. I will have them linked in the description box below. This is an Axiom and then a Discraft, and we have one more in the garage. So we have a total of, actually I have one in California as well. So we have 3 Discraft lights, great baskets by the way, and then Axiom blue, which is right up here. Beautiful evening though. We're gonna turn little scout camper in like the 19th hole, crack a seltzer. Beautiful out here, Colorado guys. This again is mid-April, looking stunning. Colorado does get some late snowstorms, but guys, we're stoked. We're just pumped. We're gonna get into this disc golf course and show you all the goodies. Again, we're using what is already here. This is a berm with a channel right through it. So what we want to do is we want to start either probably on that side because there is a fence on that side. We don't want to go OB over there. So probably start there. Mandatory Mando through the berm, coming up here and either play this basket over here or we'll set more baskets as we progress and as the land gets a little bit larger, God willing. We have something in the books that's going to expand the course, so stay tuned for that, of course, as well. So this is one of my favorites here. We're still doing the whole layout placements, but this is always a double, beautiful double Mando right here. Discraft basket straight down the center. You can ace run it, and we're using the deck as our tee pad, and it works out great. Remember, think about what you already do have, not what you don't have. Any of this, you can mark it off with sticks And markers, pole barns have cement already. Driveways have cement already. You can start there, alter your baskets, but this is one of my favorite holes. We just parked it about 12 feet over here to the left of the basket. Yeah, did I tell you, Scott? We met a trail builder when Coleman and I rode, and told him I went to Cortez. Oh, yeah. He's like, "You right, Phil's World?" Yeah. I said, "Yeah, we there." Yeah. How are you? Good. How you doing? All right, good, thank you. All right, if you pull too far ahead, I'll slow down for the next contestant. The helmetless contestant. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, I'm still on. Nice, good hit. Super clean, wow. Good hits, good hits. Don't let the party stop, guys. Hit one of these videos, continue to watch, and we'll see you soon.